Welcome to Chapter 1. Today we open the terminal for the very first time, together. No rush, no tests, just one friendly step at a time. You already know how to use your computer with a mouse. You click folders, drag files, double-click icons. That's called a graphical interface, a GUI. It works great. But there's another way to talk to your computer, by typing commands. And the place where you type those commands is called the terminal. But wait, if I can already do everything with the mouse, why would I bother typing commands? Great question. 4 reasons. Speed. Many tasks are much faster to type than to click. Power. The terminal reaches parts of the computer the GUI can't. Automation. You can chain commands together and run the whole thing at once. And it's universal. Once you learn it on Linux, the same commands work almost. Pro tip, you don't have to choose between the GUI and the terminal. Most Linux users use both. The GUI for everyday things, the terminal when they want more speed or control.
If you've used Windows, you might have met Command Prompt or PowerShell, those black windows with white text. The Linux terminal is the same idea, just far more powerful and far more central to how Linux actually works. The command line is older than the mouse, older than the desktop, older than the internet. In the 1960s, the only way to talk to a computer was by typing commands. Users sat in front of physical machines called terminals, a keyboard and a text display. And that, right there, is where the name comes from.
In 1969, programmers at Bell Labs created an operating system called Unix, designed from the ground up to be controlled by typed commands. Those commands were so well made that most of them still exist today, over 50 years later. Linux itself was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds, inspired by Unix. Linux Mint, the system you're using right now, was built on top of Linux in 2006, specifically to feel friendly and welcoming. Fun fact, that $sign you'll see in the terminal is called the prompt. It dates back to 1970s Unix, and it literally means, I'm ready, go ahead and tell me what to do. All right, enough history. Let's open the terminal. The fastest way on Linux Mint is the keyboard shortcut. Hold Control, hold Alt, and press the letter T. A new window appears with a dark background and a blinking cursor. That's your terminal. If the shortcut doesn't work, you have 2 more ways. Click the Mint menu in the bottom left corner, type Terminal in the search bar, and click the result. Or open the Nemo File Manager, go to the Edit menu, and choose Open Terminal. Same window, 3 paths. Before we type, let's look at what's on screen. Here's the whole window, labeled. Title bar up top, prompt below, cursor right where you'll type. We'll walk through each piece next. At the top, you'll see something like whoan@mintbox, then a colon, then a tilde. 4 parts. Your username, the @sign, your computer's name, and the tilde, which just means your home folder. Read it like an address label. User Juan at the machine called Mintbox, currently in home. Below the title bar is the prompt, the same address ending in a $sign. That $sign means, I'm ready, type something. The blinking rectangle right after it is the cursor. Just like in a word processor, it shows where your text will land. This is it, your first command. Deep breath. 3 commands. Echo, date, whoami. Read them, then we'll type them together, one at a time. Type echo, space, quote, hello, comma, terminal, exclamation, quote, and press enter. The terminal reads what you typed, understands that echo means repeat this, and prints the message back. You just ran your first command. 2 pieces. The word echo is the command, the verb, what to do. The text in quotes is the argument, the noun, what to do it to. Command plus argument. You'll see this pattern everywhere. Try date. Your computer tells you the exact time. Try who am I? It tells you your username. One word, one answer. No clicking through menus. When the screen gets cluttered, type clear. Whoosh, clean slate. When you're done, type exit to close the terminal. But don't exit yet. We have more to do. 3 things can happen after you press enter. 1. The command prints a result, like date or who am I. 2. The command does its job silently, like clear. In the Linux world, no news is good news. 3. You see an error, like command not found. That one sounds scary, but it's just the terminal saying, I didn't recognize that word. You can't break anything by typing a wrong command. The terminal will politely tell you, and nothing bad happens.
Fun fact, the word bash in those error messages isn't random. It stands for Born Again Shell, a pun on the earlier Born Shell from the 1970s. Bash is the program reading your commands right now.
A little practice, the best way to make this stick. 3 exercises. 1. Echo your own name, with and without quotes, and notice both work for a single word. 2. Run date, who am I, and clear from memory in that order. 3. Try cow for a calendar and uptime to see how long your computer has been running. The point isn't to memorize, the point is to play. Time for the milestone, your first real terminal session. Run 4 commands in a row. Echo a little greeting. Who am I? Cal. Uptime. 4 commands, 4 answers. That's a real terminal session. Exactly what Linux users do every day. The only difference is they know more commands. And you're about to learn those too.
Now make it yours. Open the Edit menu, choose Preferences, find the Colors tab. Try green on black for the classic hacker look. Solarize dark, easy on the eyes. Tango for something balanced. Your changes save automatically, and you can always switch back.
You did it. You opened the terminal, typed real commands, and read real output. If this helped you, follow TrailNote so Chapter 2 finds you. We're going through the whole journey, one friendly step at a time. See you there.